Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial on price list management in EcoStruxure Power Build Easy series. This video gives you an overview of how to manage price lists. By the end of this video, you will learn how to download price list template, edit and upload the price list, apply the price list to bill of material, and download bill of material in Excel sheet format. Before you start using the application, log in to your account. Enter your login credentials. Accept the terms and conditions. Upon successful login, the home page appears. With Easy Series software, you can now add and manage switchgear prices quickly and efficiently. Access the Burger menu from Home page. Navigate to My Profile menu. This section allows you to add your price list for the projects. To download the price list template, click Download Template link. The price list template has been saved on your computer. Open the price list Excel sheet and edit the prices. Once the edits are done, click Save. To upload the price list, navigate to the Burger menu. Next, go to My Profile menu and then click Upload a price list link. Choose the updated price list and select Open. The price list is added successfully. Note that you can add up to 10 price lists. Here are some price lists added to My Price Lists under My Profile menu. You can define any of these price lists as a default one. To do so, turn on the Default button. Here is a default price list defined. The Bill of Material, or BOM, tab displays the list of switchgears added under each switchboard. Non-Schneider electric switchgears can also be listed in the Bill of Material. You can manually add prices for these switchgears. Now, we will view how to apply the price list to bill of material. Access the price list section and choose the price list to be applied. The price for the switchgears get automatically updated in the Bill of Material tab. This section shows the list of materials with pricing details. You can even download the list of materials. To do so, click the Download icon. The file is downloaded in Microsoft Excel sheet format. This concludes the video on price list management in EcoStruxure Power Build Easy series. In this video, we saw how to download price list template, edit and upload the price list, apply the price list to bill of material, and download bill of material in Excel sheet format. Thanks for watching.